Hello, investors and traders. This is a special video about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is pretty much reaching the 40,000 price level. So let's have a very close look at the price action, see what exactly is in the store. But as always, it is important for us to go through the disclaimers and risk warnings. As you can see, with the excitement, I can't even get the words out because I really wanted to go over the charts. So anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, folks, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform. But before we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the prices right here on Bloomberg Terminal. On my Bloomberg Terminal, what we see is right over here, XBT, which is your Bitcoin. It is trading at 39,494, but over here it is showing a little bit a higher price, which is 544. It's not because that, it's just that the prices are moving very fast. There is a lot of volatility really happening even in the Bitcoin space. Look at this trend. Since the 5th of January, we are just really rocking, rolling with respect to Bitcoin price. The prices are just like there is no tomorrow. That is the chart, which is just literally going vertical now. And there is no doubt in my mind that the correction is certainly going to come, and it is going to be a big correction. So let me just quickly bring out the MT4 platform and show you the chart over here as well, because perhaps that is the one that you guys be more familiar with. Look at the RSI. It is very much near its all-time high, because we have not seen the RSI reaching these particular levels, as you can see right over here, even back in 2020. Now, so yeah, we've never seen the RSI reaching particular these levels back in 2019 or even before that. So clearly the RSI is way oversold, meaning a retracement is going to come. But right now, it would be really great if we can really see the 40,000 price level while I am with you over here discussing about the price action. So let me just bring out the chart over here. And what we can also do is we can go through some of the sentiment about Bitcoin in the market as well. So the moment that I will click over here, you will see Bitcoin news are coming out. So Bitcoin, the first news is Bitcoin news roundup for January daily. Mark Cuban, Bitcoin plan new for president if BTC hits 1 million. Free Satoshi. Okay, just some lunatic stuff going on over there. A decade of dollar denominated. So okay, so this, what this headline really is saying to you is that the dollar, that the weakening of dollar is very much also producing these particular highs. Then there's another headline over here, which is by Inside Bitcoin, Bitcoin inching towards market cap of 1 trillion. Yes, of course it is, because it is very close to the market cap of Tesla, which is about 1 billion. This one, FX Street's Polkadot price prediction prefers for another leg up against Bitcoin. Okay, don't really care about that. Bitcoin rises 9%. This is a very old headline, because Bitcoin is up 10%, folks, today. 10%. I am seriously telling you guys, look at Ripple. Oh my God, Ripple is up 42%. What a pump that is happening, really, because the prices are at 0.35 today. That is a massive pump. It is up 57%. Ethereum on the other side is up 71%, but today it is up only 7%. But Ripple's pump is something amazing. I didn't even actually pay that much of an attention to. Obviously, this has happened, and the pump is happening only today, and the prices are really going up. So let's see what exactly is, if there is any black to crypto banking with near 50% rise. Okay, XRP shrugs off the FUD of surges along XLM, nothing over there. Amazon preparing to launch its own crypto asset, XRP. Architect analyze odds that retail giant will enter. Okay, again, just as some speculation, really nothing in terms of a news. Crypto surges to $1 trillion. That is by Forbes. Okay. Daily Bitcoin recovery faces hurdle. Wide dips could be limited. Okay, again, nothing major. So overall, no major news is really coming in terms of Ripple. But the prices, as you can see, is up 42%. Wow. I mean, wow, really, that is humongous. That is really humongous. But let's just go back to Bitcoin prices once again and then see where exactly the price is trading. It is trading at 39,600. And let me bring out one of these windows, and then over here we can again bring out the XBT price and then see if with respect to some of the indicators what they are really telling us as well. Because oh, there you go, 39,664. I'm going to bring out the RSI over here just to show you guys a little bit more about how it is so much oversold. Sorry, overbought, not oversold. There you go. You see what I mean? This is exactly what I was really trying to tell you guys, that these particular levels, it is at 84. Now, if I start going back to 2017, I am pretty sure that we never reached this particular level, because look at this one. So let me just draw this one, because on the MT4 I couldn't really go back that far, but over here of course I can, because this is a Bloomberg terminal. We can do anything. Okay, so there you go, folks. So this is a better comparison right over here. So what this shows is that back in 2017, this was back in 2017, so it can go up to all the way to 90. The RSI can go all the way 90, so we are still at 84. So that means it can still go up. But even before that, this is even higher. So they add back in 2016, the RSI went all the way to 93. So this is very, very important and good analysis for us to have a look at. Remember, anything above 70 represents overbought, and then we know that Bitcoin has the tendency and capacity of remaining overbought for a very long period of time, but at the same time it doesn't really stay oversold for a longer period of time, because the moment that we see that, prices really start to move, because as happened over here when it went into oversold territory, we saw this massive rally again. Over here when it happened, we saw this massive rally again once again. So but right now when I really look at the Bitcoin price, it is still trading at 39,504 570. So really kind of hoping for this price to touch 40,000. So maybe it won't really happen during our this particular session, but I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call Bitcoin at 40,000. This is amazing, really, really amazing what we are seeing in terms of a crypto prices. So good luck with respect to that. But remember that there is still a little bit room left for prices to move higher. So you shouldn't be too worried about RSI, because RSI can go all the way to 93 when it comes to this, and then before that it can also reach to 91. So in other words, Bitcoin price can really reach 45,000 or 50,000 on this one. And if I look at this on your weekly time frame, so let me just change the time frame to weekly time frame, because that will give us a very different perspective as well in terms of RSI. There you go. This is what I kind of wanted to look at. So when I look at it this, so back in 2007, here you go. So this is the biggest one. Again, it can reach all the way to 100, and then it can reach up to 96. Back in 2017 on the weekly time frame, it was 90. Okay, so in 2017 it was 90 that the RSI was trading, so obviously it has gone up. But back in 2013 and also in 2000 early 2013, it really went up to 100. So we basically, in other words, we can really continue to move upward without any major problem. So let's see how far it can really go. Let's see how far this move can really happen. That's all for now. And if it touches 40,000, I'm still here. I will definitely come back to you guys.